Welcome guys, what's up? How you doing? Here's a tutorial pencil drawing of a Nollywood artist by name to be precise, Luchy, so stay tuned for a sec. Welcome back once more. If you are new to my page, you are warmly welcome. Please subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss out any of my videos once I post them, and also hit the like button so that my video will be featured on YouTube for people that needs it. I've gotten lots of encouraging comments from my fans, from my viewers, and they're so fantastic and interesting. Some of you are wishing for my page to reach to million views and million subscribers. I so much appreciate the encouragement, and this will be possible if you can do what? Subscribe to my channel and also share to others so that others will also subscribe to my channel. This is what I do for a living. I don't beg for money. This is what I do. What I ask you for is just a simple task. Just subscribe to my channel. Yes, as you can see this drawing, I've sketched out the outline. Now I use general charcoal pencil directly to draw this hair, and I mixed it with a charcoal powder with a soft brush to get out this detail and these lines. As you can see, the hair is coming out smoothly and well balanced. As you can see, I use the general charcoal pencil. It's so soft and nice to use, so I'm using this medium for the hair. I'm also using this opportunity to break down some of the materials I use for my drawings, because some people are confused on the materials I use. So if you can't get it from what I'm saying, look down to my description on my bio. You will see the materials I use for this drawing. So check out on my description and see the materials I use for this drawing. You see, I blend well using a graphite pencil, a Straightmore graphite pencil. And this Straightmore graphite pencil, I use it as the first layer. Then to build that layer, making it soft, I use the charcoal powder, apply it on the brush and blend my drawing. You see, I blend it and it forms smoothly. That's how I do my drawings. And this is a time-lapse video, because if I have to reduce it, it will take the whole day, because I made this drawing for like 144 hours. That's up to a week, as you can see, but I'm breaking it down in just a 10 minutes video, so watch out and see what I'm doing. To achieve this medium, I use the Onyekachi graphite pencil as the first layer to get the outline of the face, then dip the charcoal powder with a soft brush and blend it well. If it's not giving me what I want, I'll also add this Onyekachi graphite pencil on it again, shade it well, and also blend again with the charcoal powder to make sure I got the detail and the dark tones, the light tones of the drawing I want. So I did this smoothly. I can see the eye. I use electric eraser to detail the eyeball, these small details in the face. Add those things to make the drawing to pop out. Some artists out there always say that they are self-taught artists, but I can assure you that no artist is a self-taught. As far as you grab an experience from watching the videos on YouTube, viewing someone doing it face to face, and in any other form, you are not a self-taught artist. As far as you gain something from what you view, you have acquired that knowledge to apply yours. That shows you're not a self-taught artist. No artist is a self-taught artist. We get inspired through others to know how to build our own art. As you can see, lots of artists inspired me, like Artiste Stanley, our great artist, Kevin Okafor, The Line, and lots of hyper-realistic artists. All of them, they have their own inspiration. They have their mentor. They have the people that build them up, the people they look up to. So we try to do what? To do the same and be the best for ourselves. As you see this, I blend so well with charcoal, because charcoal boosts out your drawing. than graphite pencil, because graphite pencil has a shiny effect on your drawing, and if you're not used to charcoal pencil, you won't get the best of your drawing, because charcoal boosts your drawing well and makes your drawing comes out well. Because this is a charcoal pencil, I use lots of charcoal on this pencil drawing, and I don't select pencils while drawing, because I take pencils as they're all the same. Though I have the grades of I use like 8B charcoal pencil and the smaller grades for my works. So I don't have a particular type of pencils, because some are asking which type of pencil do I use. I don't have a choice of pencil. I use any type of pencil. As far as I can achieve what I want through those pencils, I have no choice but to do what gets what I want. As far as getting those values you are applying, that's the main thing. I have a lot of friends that are drawing with me before. They decided to stop drawing. I asked them, why do you stop drawing? They say drawing is hard. It's difficult to do. If you're in that situation, I can assure you that you can do it. It only take time and effort to do this. At a young age, I was 6 years old and I discovered my talent and I worked towards it, no give up, and I reached to this level. If someone to ask me that, how can I reach this level, I won't believe. But due to I dedicated myself, I put time to do this, and I've finally come to see and realize that I can do something better with this. So if you're an artist, I can advise you not to give up on your skill, because this is God-given gift for you to help yourself. Like I told you before, I don't beg people for money. What you can help me do is to subscribe to my channel, so that you will get updated once I post new videos. Yes, I'm finally done with the pencil drawing. Now you can see the outcome of all those playing. You see, I've achieved a human. It just remains for me to put life, but I don't have that power. But I have power to turn dust to form a human in paper. That's the gift God gave us. So if you're an artist and you have passion for being an artist, why don't try doing this? It will help you. And if you're new to my page, if you like this video, please like, hit that thumbs up, like this video. Let YouTube feature my video to other people that needs it. Share this video, subscribe to my channel, so that we'll reach to the top, because that's the dream. That's all we want. You can see the drawing, the teeth, white teeth, neat. This is Luchy donuts. This is so clean and well presented. If you love my artwork, you can DM me on my link down the description. You'll see my Instagram handle, my TikTok handle, my Twitter handle, and Facebook. So see you next time.